Hello friends, let's discuss how to transform your old bedroom and bed into a stylish oasis. A step-by-step guide is here. First of all, you need to assess and plan. Before starting your bedroom makeover, take time to assess the space and plan your design. Consider the followings. Measure the room. Take precise measurements of the room including the bed, furniture and any obstacles. Then you need to identify your style. Think about the style you want to achieve, such as modern, minimalist, or luxurious. Then you need to set a budget. Determine how much you are willing to spend on the makeover. On number 2, there is the time to update your bed. The bed is the centerpiece of the bedroom, so updating it can make significant impact. Consider the following. New mattress. Invest a new mattress for improved comfort and support. You need to update the bed frame to a stylish and modern design. And then add a statement headboard to create a focal point in the room. Thirdly, there is a need to create a stylish wall. The walls in your bedroom can greatly impact the overall aesthetic. Consider the following. First of all, see the paint, choose a fresh new color to update the walls and create a cohesive look. Then think about wallpapers. Add a statement wallpaper to create a unique and stylish focal point. You need to add shelves to display decorative items and add visual interest. Now on number 4, you need to add lighting to the room. Lighting can enhance the ambience and style of your bedroom. Consider the following. For lighting, you need to update your lighting fixture to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Change the curtains and blinds. Choose new curtains and blinds that complement the style and color scheme of your room. Then you need to think about the rugs and throw pillows. Add a new area rug and throw pillows to create a cohesive and stylish look. Now you need to bring in decorative elements. Decorative elements can add a personal touch and create a unique and stylish space. Consider the following: artwork and prints, plants and greenery. Add plants and greenery to bring a natural and calming element in the room. Then add decorative objects. Display decorative objects such as vase, sculpture to add visual interest and personality. Lastly, there is time to final touch. Once you have completed the makeover, take a step back and evaluate the space. Consider to add a statement piece such as a bold piece of artwork or a unique decorative item to create a focal point in the room. Now it is the time to enjoy your new space, relax and enjoy your newly transformed bedroom.